Hello, this is Ayantika Dhar. I'll be demonstrating VCC assignment 3. For this, we'll have to go to VirtualBox, and from there, I have installed Ubuntu virtual machine with base memory of 2048 and CPU, 4 CPU cores. And from there, I have opened my GitHub where all instructions to run this assignment is written. So, firstly, I'll introduce this assignment. This implements a system to monitor CPU usage on a local virtual machine and trigger auto scaling to a cloud instance when CPU utilization exceeds a specified threshold, that is 75% in this case. So, for the ease of implementation, I have created four bash scripts. So, first one is dependencies.sh, which holds all the dependencies or requirements for my front end, back end, HTOP, and stress testing. So for this, as you can see, here is Node.js dependencies. Secondly, there is HTOP dependencies. Third, there is stress testing dependencies, and for authentication in Google Cloud console, there is Google Cloud SDK dependencies, and for Cloud CLI, there is another dependency, and for these are for authentication and setting up GCPs, these are the commands. So now we'll go to the second sh file, so which is build.sh. So for build.sh, what we can see is firstly I have created a front end, like it will create a front end uh, f- uh, file for us, and secondly a server.js for stress test and triggering the stress test. Third, there is the index page, which will like show the front end part to the user. And then there is monitor stress test.sh, which will conduct the stress testing. And this will basically monitor the sh, basically implement the threshold condition. Then we'll move to launch.sh. So to launch those scripts, we have this automated script again, which is launch.sh. So firstly, it will authenticate the GCP. Then it will start CPU monitoring script, which will run monitor CPU.sh, which will implement the threshold logic, and so then now start I'll go to the demo part. For this, I'll go to GCP migration file, which is already been created. As I've already run the build.sh. Now I'll just run launch.sh in order to run the project. So it will authenticate me to GCP. So I'll also open up the localhost for the sake of fast movement of the assignment. So I'll authenticate myself by choosing my account. Here I'll do allow. And now I'm authenticated. So current CPU usage is 67%. What I'll do is I'll now go to my local host and launch computation. It will increase the CPU utilization. So as you can see, the current CPU usage is has exceeded 75%. And migrating, I have just migrated stress.sh to the VM. So now we'll go to the VM GCP. I'll check if the VM has been created or not. It's been created. Actually, I have like logged in from my local machine into VM, as like it will take time inside a virtual machine. So it has been created successfully. and migrated at rest.sh.